everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Welcome to help you today. This is the holiday weekend, and I'm getting ready to do some holiday food. So I'm going to be doing ribs and all parts of the chicken, okay? And I'm going to be putting it on my grill that I have not used in a couple of years. So surprise to you guys today. May God bless you. Okay. I'm going to read Proverbs 2, verse 2 and chapter 6. Chapter 2 and verse 6. Okay. The Lord granteth wisdom, from his mouth comes knowledge and understanding. All right. This is coming from Proverbs 2 and 6. Thank you so much for listening. All right. So now I'm getting ready to do the ribs. I have 2 slabs of ribs, okay? And I've already, I haven't put nothing on them really. I kind of usually, because the ribs, I'm running a little bit later because I had to get things done in the grill, but I haven't used it in a while. And I wanted you all to see my grill because I've had it a couple of years and I've only used it maybe 2 times, okay? So now I have the 2 ribs, and I'm going to be putting on my, I have the smoked paprika, and I'm going to be rubbing the smoked paprika on it. But first of all, to tenderize these ribs, I've already kind of punched them in, okay? With just a knife or whatever I have here. So now, after I get them punched in well, I always put my barbecue smoke on them. So I like for the smoke to go through to the bone, because I want it to be really smoky, and I want it to taste really good, like it's really been smoked. So now I'm using, these are the ingredients that I'm using. I have my hickory smoke right there. All right. And then I'll have the regular paprika, and I've already put some in the bowl. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. And I have my complete, of course, salt. I'll be using a little salt. And I'll be using my paprika smoke also with the other paprika as well. So all right, now I'm putting on my smoke, and I want it to go through to the ribs, to the bone. So I want it smoked all the way through. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Okay, let me put just a little bit more smoke into the bowl. And it's hard to find ribs now that's isn't too fat. That was my problem. I had quite a bit of fat on there, and I didn't want them to go through, so I cut some of the fat off. I tried to find the leaner ones, but there wasn't a lot of them. It wasn't very lean. So, okay, I'm going to put everything on. I'm going to start with the back side first, and then I'm going to turn them around. I already have the other ones on the back side. And then I'll be turning them over, so, all right, so. I'm trying to get them to go through the holes that I've already poked in them. I want them to be really tender, all the way to the bone. It's kind of hot outside today, but I'm going to do it anyway, and I put a little bit of tin up out there, so it might not be too bad. We're supposed to get some rain today, which we haven't had any in a long time. I'll be glad to get some. So I'm going to rub on the smoked paprika first, because
I'm just going to rewrite them. How about that? You know what? I'm just going to rewrite it.
No. He didn't write.
now this is the smoked paprika I'll be rubbing on. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to put on. I guess I have to take one glove off and try to. All right, now I got everything open up. All right, so now I'm going to be putting a little table salt on it. All right. All right, now this is my onion powder. Ooh, I forget it comes out really heavy. So, all right. This is my garlic powder. I didn't get enough onion powder on the other side. Okay. Okay. Now, my complete. The complete. All right. Black pepper. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn it over for the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. I've already got that one seasoned down. I'm going to season down the other side.
Y'all, we usually season them and leave them overnight for 24 hours, but we didn't do it today, so. But we usually leave it in the refrigerator for a long time, for 24 hours after she seasons them. But it's much better to do it like that because the season goes in.
Top. I've already really punched the holes in it, but I'm not for sure how these holes are gonna, that you're gonna see them. Let me see now. This is a big end right here, so I need to punch a few more holes in. Some of it's a little bit more meatier than the other side where the bones were, so I need to punch it a little bit more in order to get this done. Okay, so now. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the smoked paprika on top. Then I'll put the rest of the ingredients in. Okay, because I'm going to rub it on. Okay. This is very good. Black pepper. Complete.
Yeah, please
Nice
season y'all meat. Season y'all meat how y'all like to season y'all meat. As we always say,
Garlic powder.
this is what we use.
Hello, family. Y'all been doing how I was right here.
And onion powder. Okay. And I'm just gonna I have some more paprika, the regular paprika that I'll be putting on. And then, 2 minutes, I'm going to the grill. Another piece. Give me the foil then. So I can put another piece in there. All right, you guys. Now I'm getting ready to put this on the grill.
Real.
I'm gonna turn it over. Put it down there. Okay. I can wait. Okay, I'm spraying my, I'm not spraying it, barbecue sauce, smoke sauce. So, I've already let it soak in barbecue smoke, but I'm putting it on there right now by itself before I get ready to put that on the grill, because I like for them to be well smoked and well and ready to go, so, when I do get to the grill. All right. So now I'm gonna put the regular paprika on. And the salt. Okay. Complete.
Just the businessman y'all here laughing real loud on here.
Okay. I'm using a fine garlic powder right now, so. Okay. And onion powder, because I'm onion powder. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of the rub on also. I'm just gonna kind of work the chicken around in here, so then I'll put some more on top. Just a minute. I'll put that much on it, a whole lot. Like pepper. I'm putting a little brown sugar on here also right now.
What made me
Wash your hands.
Okay. So I think I've got it all ready to go for the grill.
All right, we'll be back in a minute, y'all, till we should get to the grill.
This is my final touches from the barbecue chicken and ribs that I made on the grill today for the first time. I've made barbecue chicken in the oven and everywhere else, but not on the grill. So
Okay.
okay, I have chicken legs and I have my ribs. Okay, and boy, they look delicious. I know they do. Okay.
See the color? Show them the color, Granny. Show them the color of the ribs on the side. Show the side color.
Okay.
boy, boy.
Okay, let me see, can I? All right. That's the ribs. It's very delicious, I know. So, all right. Now that's my ribs, okay.
Have a pretty
and
color, y'all, the ribs.
All right, so. And this is, trying to find you. This is my chicken wings, all right, so. So this is my final touches on my barbecue chicken and barbecue ribs. I just want you all to see what I had done on the grill today. So
And they
thank
good,
you.
y'all.
And I know it's very delicious, and I know the children can't wait. So we're getting ready to take it on. Everybody's getting ready to take it on. So we will have a video of it. So thank you so much. May God bless. Have a happy day and a blessed holiday and a blessed week coming up. Be safe. Be careful on the Labor Day. Thank you so much. God bless. From Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Bye bye.